First of all, thank you for giving us the opportunity to present our company today, SOLEX, which is dealing with the reliable detection of faults in photovoltaic systems. Let me start by showing you this PV system. This is the Great Wall of Solar. This is the largest photovoltaic system in the world. And in fact, it can provide electricity to 500,000 people, roughly the size of Cyprus. This demonstrates how far this technology has moved on over the last few years. In fact, it's replacing conventional power plants. And this is not the end of the story. We are seeing increasing deployment of photovoltaics on our rooftops. And in fact, this technology is very rapidly becoming part of our built environment. The numbers are staggering. By 2050, 70% of the electricity demand globally will be covered from photovoltaics. And we want to be part of this journey. So what is our vision? As photovoltaics is becoming more and more an important part of our energy mix, it's very important to ensure its quality, to ensure its reliability, to maximize its output and minimize the cost. And this is what we are trying to do. So our company, SOLEX, is trying to solve the problem of reliability. We want to develop hardware and software in order to be able to reliably predict faults in these systems to ensure reliable systems. We want to focus on high voltage because this is a trendy situation. This is where the technology is going. But essentially, we want to increase the system lifetime. We want to increase the reliability and eventually energy output and cost. How are we going to do that? We are going to develop hardware, the sensors, but also software, big data, and also predictive maintenance. That will go into a complete solution that will provide improved fault detection. So where are we? The technology now is at 5% of fault detection. We want to achieve 1%, and the preliminary results are very encouraging. It has to be low cost, very important if we want to launch it on the field. And very importantly, it has to be non-intrusive. The other way of doing this is to dismount the modules, take them to a center, test them, and bring them back. We want to do it non-intrusively, online, on our computer. The market, photovoltaics is the only technology that has been growing for at least 25% per year consistently. By 2025, it is expected that we will have 1 terawatt of photovoltaic systems installed per year. The potential market for our system is around 10 billion euros per year. Why us? Because we are experts in the field. It's all about the people. We have a very long track record in this field. We have state-of-the-art infrastructure, and we have a global network of partners where we can test our solutions. The initial results are very encouraging. We have already launched a prototype that is working. We are now in the process of applying for a patent. We want to launch the system at the system level to test in the field. And of course, we want to move to the final design and the product development. So the future for solar energy or photovoltaics, and we want to be part of this journey. And before I finish, I would like, first of all, to say a big thank you to Maria and her team and our mentors for steering us in the right direction. But please have a look at this tweet that came out from CNN this Friday. Solar and wind in the US will overtake coal by 2021. And you can clearly see where we are heading. Thank you very much.